Mike Larson here with HAINBUCH America. This is a short demonstration on the proper installation of this jaw module adaptation into one of our chucks. Now this is a newer model jaw module, and you will know you have a newer model if it comes included with this T-wrench. But first, a few things I want to mention before we begin. As with all adaptations, be sure to remove the base end stop before installing. The second thing I want to talk about is the jaw module is the only adaptation that should be installed in the clamped position. And then one last thing, if you're using a tall plus hexagonal model chuck, be sure to remove the face plate before you install any adaptations. Let me show you how easy it is to install this jaw module. Okay, to begin, what we're going to do is insert the supplied T-wrench into the center locking screw, and we're going to turn 90 degrees counterclockwise. You will see these coupling gears retract. That's all it is right there. Then what we're going to do is insert the 3 mounting bolts into the mounting holes and place the jaw module on the chuck and screw in the 3 mounting bolts. You will then tighten them to the correct tightening torque found in the operator's manual. At this time, you will turn the center locking screw 90 degrees clockwise to expand the coupling gears, which then engages this within the chuck's coupling. You simply remove the T-wrench and you're ready to go. If you have any other questions regarding this installation or any questions on any of our other products, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching.